Hey guys, welcome to iFood Real. If you're new here, my name is Alina and I cook everything in Instant Pot on this YouTube channel. I actually force you to use your Instant Pot, and this is Instant Pot Tips Wednesday, where I share everything to make your cooking in Instant Pot more enjoyable. And today we are making Instant Pot eggs. By the way, going back to the new factor, if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so then you don't miss any video. Last week we took a break from filming, but now we're back, and we are back with some Instant Pot eggs. So my husband Alex told me that, for example, he's a guy and this is not a recipe, it's a tip for him how to cook eggs in Instant Pot. And I agree, because honestly there is eggs and water and just one step. So let's do it. Hey guys! Hey guys! So the most important question of 21st century is, why would you want to cook eggs in Instant Pot? Like, Alina, are you crazy? They take 5 minutes on the stove. Who does eggs in Instant Pot? That's exactly what I thought until I tried. You know why? Because you don't have to wait for them to boil, but besides that, any eggs will peel like a dream even when they're hot. That's like the most appealing selling feature of Instant Pot eggs. Now, probably as you can tell, we're not using Instant Pot, we're using Cosori. That is because our Instant Pots are busy. We are obsessed with Instant Pots here. So Instant Pot Duo 8-quart is in the house with the oatmeal from breakfast. This is my studio, and we're making Instant Pot chicken and rice in a 6-quart lux. So we have only one left, and that's Cosori. So I do need 3 Instant Pots, you probably don't, maybe 2. Anyways, to cook eggs, we just add a cup of water, and it can be a cup and a half, it doesn't really matter. As long as you add water, you just want to put eggs on a trivet and cook them. This is a trivet that comes with Instant Pot Lux, 6 quarts. You can put it in, and then you put your eggs on top, but then it's harder to take it out. So I have tip of the year again, this basket. This basket fits into 6-quart Instant Pot and 8-quart Instant Pot, and how amazing it is to cook eggs and vegetables. You just take out the whole thing and ta-da, voila. So that's what we're gonna do. So put it in here, and by the way, I'm gonna link to it below this video. You can use any eggs. If you're curious, George, what eggs I'm using organic eggs from Costco. Well, Costco. So Instant Pot is my favorite cooking machine, and Costco is my favorite store. So just eggs, add as many as you want. This is a very complicated recipe. Okay, how many eggs do we need? Okay, I'll just do 1 layer. That's it. Then you put a lid on top, and right away make sure the valve is to sealing. And as you can tell, you can use any electric pressure cooker. And then we cook eggs for 5 minutes for hard-boiled eggs. This is why I like my Instant Pot. It has way less button. It's a lot going on here. I get here and I figure it out eventually, but it takes a few things. Okay. Manual, then I always make sure it's like high pressure. Then I do cook time, and see there's a just, but there's also minus and plus. So we need 5 minutes, and then I have to press start. I did it. So on Instant Pot, all you have to press is manual or pressure cook on high pressure for 5 minutes. So then you just do quick release of pressure by turning the valve from sealing to venting. It's not that bad. It takes about 30 seconds because there's not a lot of water. I'm ready. And this is when the basket comes in handy. So now I'm gonna take out the basket and I'm gonna go rinse the eggs with cold water. I don't need them to submerge into water and let them stand like with the usual eggs for 10 minutes until they're good to peel. I just want to cool them off a little bit and then I'll show you how easy they peel. Let's peel an egg. So you can see, look at this. This just slides off. This is ridiculous, honestly. The eggshell, look, just pops out. This is why I love Instant Pot eggs. Okay, and this is my favorite way to eat eggs. Childhood, right there. So with a little bit of salt. Okay, first I'm gonna take a bite because that's the best way to. Voila. So I like a little bit of salt, and clearly I love pepper. This is the best. So good. Let's talk about hard-boiled eggs versus soft-boiled eggs. So all I can tell you that this is hard, 5 minutes is for hard-boiled eggs, like this. I have tried all recipes online. I tried 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 1 minute, natural release, quick release. I can never get soft-boiled eggs. I personally think it depends on the altitude and the size of Instant Pot. Even with 1 minute, my eggs come out almost hard-boiled. So you can try 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 1 minute, do whatever you want. But 5 minutes is for hard-boiled eggs and then you experiment. Wasn't this easy? So that's my tip for today. I don't know why I did that, but I did. Make sure to subscribe to iFoodReal YouTube channel and come back on Friday. We have delicious recipe for you and next Wednesday for more tips. Bye!